It's time for an art activity with Miss Bodine.
Good morning, Kipsters. Today we're going to do a scavenger hunt around our home to make an art project in real life, not on a piece of paper, on our floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our very own color wheel from things that we find in our house. What's a color wheel again?
Here is a color wheel. A color wheel is a way to organize the colors that we use as artists. We can see which primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, you can mix to get other colors. For example, if I mix yellow and blue, I would get green. The color wheel is also a way to organize and group colors. We organize or group the colors green, blue, and purple into the cool color category. So we call these three colors cool because they remind us of cool things like the ocean or an ice cave. The other side of the color wheel has the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. We call these the warm colors because they remind us of a fire or a sun or of a sunset.
All right, it's time to start. First, I'm going to remind you about some things you need to make sure you're doing. Number one, you should clean a nice big area on your floor to be putting these objects on. And to be nice to your family, I would clean the floor really nice because people don't want things that they're going to be using throughout the day to sit on the floor. So make sure you clean your floor first. The second thing is you're gonna make sure that whatever you put on the floor, your family is okay with you putting on the floor. For example, you're gonna see a carrot in my color wheel to represent the color orange. I didn't use a carrot for my fridge. I was lucky and I had a carrot that was a plastic carrot for my art objects that I used for mine. Don't put anything that you're going to eat on your color wheel on the floor.
So here is Miss Bodine's completed color wheel. I actually started at the very top with the color red, and I looked for things that were red around my house. So I found a plastic apple, a hair scrunchie, and a lipstick. Then I went looking for the warm colors. So I found an orange extension cord, a toolbox, and like I said, a plastic, not a real, carrot. Then I just looked for the next category of things on my warm colors, which were the orange yellows and yellows. Then I completed my warm colors. I went hunting around the house for everything else on the cool color side. I found face wipes for light green, glasses for dark green, and then I found this candle. It's teal. Teal's a hard color to find, but it's between green and blue, so it's good to find one teal thing to put in your color wheel. I had plenty of things that were blue, and I was really lucky that I had these hair curlers because I had them in every color. So purple was hard for me to find, but I found my hair curlers and a candle to complete my color wheel with the color purple. I added things that were close to magenta between red and purple. So that's Miss Bodine's completed color wheel.
All right, your color wheel should be complete. Take a picture of it and send it to Miss Bodine so I can see. Don't forget to add your name. And lastly, the most important part is now go clean up your color wheel. Don't leave a big mess for your family or Miss Bodine's gonna get in trouble. All right, Kipsters, I'll talk to you later. Bye.